Hey guys, welcome to Hasek Learning Academy channel. We all, at some instance, think about managing finances effectively because some of us spend our hard earned money without any discipline and struggle at the end of the month. The first and foremost step in managing finance is budgeting, which teaches us discipline with respect to spending money. Come, let us move on to today's objective. This week's objective is we will be able to create a monthly budget using 60-40 strategy. The two primary aspects to start our budget are income or salary. The second, expense savings ratio. What is an income? Money received especially on a regular basis for work or through investments. Income is more often received in the form of salary, but there are other types of income, namely income from house or property, profit from business or profession, capital gains, income from other sources. What is expense savings ratio? It is a ratio with which we allocate one part to expense and another part to savings. I'm considering 60-40 split for the budget. Let me explain. 60% of the salary should be considered as expense amount and 40% of the salary should be considered as savings amount. For example, if the monthly income amount is rupees 10,000, then rupees 6,000 would be taken for the expenses and rupees 4,000 would be taken for the savings. Now, let us move on to our actual steps for creating the monthly budget. Step 1. Collect all the income information and sum it up if there are more than one income source. For example, let us consider this scenario where in a family of 4 members, mother and father are employed and they receive salary of rupees 20,000 and rupees 30,000 respectively every month. One of the two earning members also working as a part-time employee during weekends and earns rupees 10,000 per month as an additional income to the family. So now income number 1 is rupees 20,000, income number 2 will give you rupees 30,000, part-time salary rupees 10,000. That sums up to a total income of rupees 60,000 for the family. Step number 2. Divide the income amount into two parts of 60% and 40%. So according to our example, 60% of 60,000 will give you rupees 36,000 and 40% of 60,000 will give you rupees 24,000, which means our expense amount is rupees 36,000 and our savings amount is rupees 24,000. Step number 3. List all the expenses for the upcoming month and allocate the expense amount to meet the expense. Remember, we are going to use only the expense amount for meeting the expense, which is rupees 36,000 for the example considered here. We are not going to spend from the savings at all at any circumstances. For our benefit, I have divided the expense amount into 4 major categories. One is for our shelter, other is for our food, third is for utilities, and fourth is for fuel, gas, miscellaneous, etc. So let us start with our first category. In that, the listed items are rent or house EMI, rupees 15,000, electricity bill, rupees 1,500, water bill, rupees 1,300, maintenance cost, rupees 1,500. Now the second category, food. We have groceries, rupees 4,000, fruits or veggie or meat, rupees 3,500, milk and snacks, rupees 2,500. Category 3 is your utilities. Internet or Wi-Fi charges rupees 750 rupees. TV recharge rupees 650. Mobile recharge rupees 800. Now comes the category number 4, wherein we include miscellaneous fuel charges in this category, which is transport or petrol rupees 1500, gas rupees 1000, miscellaneous or medical expense rupees 2000, which we have altogether rupees 36,000 entirely for this expense list. If at all you think some items have to be added to the list or removed from the list, please feel free to do it while you practice to make your own budget. Step number 4. Where will these savings amount go to? It should ideally go to either your savings account, fixed deposit, recurring deposit for meeting your short-term or long-term goals or any emergency situations that you may encounter, or your investment account, example mutual funds, retirement plans. Again, it can be for meeting short-term or long-term goals or to make your dream come true. Now let us recap. In this video, we have learned 2 major aspects required to start the budget. They are income and expense savings ratio. Second major step was steps to create a budget. In that, we have seen how to accumulate and sum up all the income amount, divide the amount into 60-40, where 60% is for your expenses and 40% is for your savings. List the expenses and allocate the amount not exceeding the expense amount, and depositing your savings amount for your secured future. Now, go create your own monthly budget. If you like my work, then click the like button below because it motivates me to create more videos. Also, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my new videos every time I upload